Here you go, guys. This is the latest black LED lights. You install them. There's only one place to install them. So it's in the middle. I chose to put them apart. So you can only install them at this level because they are made for these holes. It's bigger than the old ones. So here's what we did. In the back, this is a different fit. So there are some screws. I tidied up, as you see in the back. Ran the cables from here all the way into the I and J fuse here, and then I did a small trim. I don't know if you guys see. Yeah, so I did a small trim here. I ran it into the small, I did like a small tray for it to close the fuse box. And then this is how it turns on. So once you turn on the keys, the access, the truck turns on. So those are the lights. Those are my DRLs. And then these are the parking lights. Now the xenon, and then the fog lights. You turn them on. That's it. High beams. Fog lights go off. So those are the LED lights, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you need help. I will be able to assist you installing them or supporting you ordering them. Have a good day.